Hello, my gems. My name is Tiffany Willis. I am the owner and operator of Jaded Onyx Soap and Beauty. I got me a microphone, so I'll be doing a voiceover with this video, but I'll be recording more and being more personable in a lot of my videos. Today we are making Beehive. This is inspired by Beyonce. It's actually inspired by her Hold Up video on her Lemonade album. If you have not seen that video, I would highly suggest that you crawl from underneath your rock and go watch it. Thank you. I actually doing a voiceover because the day that I filmed this, my neighbors at the soap studio, if you follow me on social media, you'll see that I have finally moved into my soap studio. And my neighbors, they had chickens that were in my backyard and they were just loud. So I decided to film myself making the soap. And then I'm doing the voiceover at a later date. This soap Beehive is the second soap in the Black Music Month collection. So it's going to be released on June 1st. The first soap that I did was Wop Wop, inspired by Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion. I did not film myself making that soap, which was a good thing because the fragrance oil that I used seized up pretty badly, and it was actually very difficult for me to work it into where it looked very decent, and it actually came out really pretty, so I'm proud of myself for that. But yeah, it was not a pretty sight, so I'm glad that I decided not to record that one, because I wouldn't have wanted to put it up and actually release that anyway. I'm going to get these colors mixed in, and then I'll be back to talk to you a little bit more. So I don't really know if the way that I piped it, I don't really know if there's like an actual name for the way I did this. I was going for kind of like this little snail trail. I don't know. I had a picture in my mind, and it actually does turn out really pretty, or at least in my mind, it turns out really pretty. But most people that pipe soap, they do the standard 3, 2, 1, where you do three dollops on the bottom, and then two on top of that, and then one on top of that. And the way they do it comes out really, really pretty, and I love it. I really, really do. But I was trying to go for something a little bit different, so I did like the three at the bottom, and then there's like a little snail trail on top. And then I go in and kind of fill in with another little snail trail on top of that, and you'll see the final product too. It's cute. It's really cute. Thank you all for hanging out with me. Please like the video and leave a comment. And this is the final cut of the Wop Wop soap that I was talking about.